Welcome to MS Fabric tutorial. In this video tutorial, we are going to create a trial account of Microsoft Fabric. So visit fabric.microsoft.com and you will be presented with this form. So you have to enter the email address to create the trial account. The important thing here is that you should have an corporate email address. For example, this is deepak.roseindia.net. So this is one of the corporate email address. The free email addresses like Gmail, Yahoo, and any other email address won't work. So if you don't have any corporate email address, you connect with your company and get a new corporate email address for you. So once you have the email address, then you can enter the email address and create the Microsoft Fabric trial account. So I will enter my email address and then click submit. So it is asking for the details about the email address. You have selected Microsoft Fabric free and it's asking what kind of email address is this. So it's organization email address. So I will be selecting I got it from my organization and then click next. You have to enter your email address for verification. So text me the message on my mobile number. I will click on the send verification code. So I got the verification code on my phone number. So verify. I will enter the password. I got the verification code on my email address. After entering the email verification code, I will click next. You have selected Microsoft Fabric free. Let's get started. Step 2 is create an account and confirm the details. Clicking on the get started, uh, Microsoft Fabric trial account will be created. And by default, this opens the Power BI dashboard. So we have a home, create, browse, one lake data hub, and these are the different options. So this is a Microsoft Fabric Power BI interface, and what you have to do is to click here and then click on the start trial. To start the trial of Microsoft Fabric, you have to create, you have to start the trial of Microsoft Fabric, you have to click on the start trial. And you can click here to learn more about Fabric. So this is the information regarding the Microsoft Fabric trial account. So it is saying that to start the trial, you have to click on the start trial option, and uh, then the option will appear for the Microsoft Fabric account activation. So I will click on the start trial, and it is saying upgrade to free Microsoft Fabric trial. We will assign you a free trial capacity for a limited time, and you can create work with any new item types available in the Power. We will assign you a free trial capacity for a limited time and work with new item types available in the preview. So we can click start trial and successfully upgrade to Microsoft Fabric. We prepared a free Fabric trial capacity for you. You can create and work with any item types available in the preview. So I will click on Fabric homepage, and it will display the Microsoft Fabric homepage. This is the home page of Microsoft Fabric. Power BI. Find insights, track progress, and make decisions faster using the rich visualization. Data Factory solves the most complex data integration and ETL scenarios with cloud scale data movement and data transformation services. Data Activator monitor data to trigger alerts and automated actions so your organization adapts to changing conditions in real time. Industry solution get a head start with industry relevant connectors, transformation, and scenario specific tools. Synapse data engineering create a lakehouse and use Apache Spark to transform and prepare organizational data to share with the business. Synapse data science explore your data and build machine learning models to infuse predictive insights into your analytics solutions and applications. Synapse Data Warehouse scale up your insights by storing and analyzing data in a secure open data format and SQL warehouse with top performance at petabyte scale. Synapse real-time analytics rapidly ingest, transform, and query any data source and format from 1 GB to 1 petabyte, and then visualize and share the insights. Click Power BI and you will be presented with the home page of Power BI. Here you can click the new to create a new report. Data Factory solves the most complex data integration and ETL scenarios with cloud scale data movement and data transformation services. So we have data flow Gen 2 data pipeline. Data activator, we have reflex preview and reflex sample preview. Sustainability solution to help unify, harmonize, and transform environmental, social, and governance data from disparate data sources to accelerate analytics and regulatory reporting for your business. With retail data solution, manage retail data at scale to improve customer experience and drive operational efficiency across organization. Synapse data engineering. We have Lakehouse store big data for cleaning, querying, reporting, and sharing. Notebook explore data and build machine learning solution with Apache Spark application. Environment setup shared libraries, Spark compute settings, and resources for notebooks and Spark jobs. Spark job definition define, schedule, and manage your Spark. Data engineering for running the machine learning models to predict outcomes and detect anomalies in a data. Experiment, create, run, track development of multiple models for validating hypotheses. Notebooks, explore data and build machine learning solutions with Apache Spark application. Synapse Data Warehouse, provide strategic insights from multiple sources into your entire business. Real-time analytics, KQL, rapidly load structured, unstructured, and streaming data for querying. KQL query set, run queries on your data to produce shareable tables and visuals. Event stream, capture, transform, and route real-time event streams to various destinations in desired format with no code experience. You can click here on the Microsoft Fabric logo to quickly access the Power BI, Data Factory, Data Activator, Industry Solution, Data Engineering, Data Science, Data Warehouse, Real-Time Analytics. This is for search and for managing this is feedback, and here we can see that we have the trial free account, which is for 59 days. And if we click here in the gear item, then we have general settings, then we have notification, then item settings, then developer settings, and resource and extension, manage your personal storage. So I can store up to 10 GB of data. Power BI setting, we can do a setting into the Power BI. This is the Power BI setting. We have semantic models, workbooks, data flows, manage connections and gateways. Here we can create the connections to uh, different cloud services, on-premise gateways, virtual network gateways, manage embedded code, Azure Analysis Services Management. Now we can migrate the Azure Analysis Services to Power BI very quickly. To do so, create migration, then select the model for migration, enable server redirection, and leverage Power BI capability. Governance, Power BI Premier, Power BI Embedded, Trial. So this is my trial account, uh, and admin portal. Then finally we have Microsoft Purview Hub. So browse, search and discover data in our organization, and if you want to learn about the Purview, you can visit here and learn about the Purview. And this is the get it started with the Purview. Thanks for watching the video, and subscribe our channel. In next videos I will be showing you the Microsoft Fabric different components, and teach you how you can use the Microsoft Fabric for ingesting your data, managing the data, processing the data, and finally create the visualization for your businesses.